Hey guys, today's adventure takes us back to our favorite place in the North Country, the Nansen Ski Jump.
Woohoo!
This is going to be our third exclusive video on the ski jump. We first saw it, what was it, 2002 on?
Thereabouts, yeah.
Yeah. So 4 years later, when we got our hike on, we climbed to the top of the hill and got a first-hand look at the ski jump. And I gotta tell you, if you've been following us on We Are Mud Fun for a while, you know Cheryl and I just love abandoned places. And this was one of the most abandoned and forgotten places that we had seen. We took pictures of it, and as a matter of fact, one of the pictures has hung in both of our RVs and is still hanging in Maggie, the RV, today, because we just absolutely love the ski jump.
It's our favorite picture.
Yes, it is. Then throughout the years, we'd stop by again occasionally, but then we get into doing videos. So 2012, we did our first video on the ski jump. The eye that just popped up will take you to that one if you're curious to see what it looked like back when it was abandoned. In 2017, Greg from Knollstone Contracting down in Concord, he emailed us and he said that they were restoring it. He had seen our first video and took the time to write to us to say, hey, just want to let you know it's going to be restored. So you know darn well we were going to go out and see it. In 2017, that's exactly what we did. The eye that just popped up would take you to that video and you can see the difference between abandoned and restored. Now, we're still in contact with Greg today, and because of that, we were invited to come and see our favorite attraction once again. This time though, we're going the easy way. We don't have to hike up the hill and all that high grass and slugs and everything. We're taking the access road. Now, this road is normally gated, so you can't get up here, but we're going up at the invitation of Greg to meet him and his crew in person for the first time. And as you can see, we're very thankful that we have a Jeep. Oh, there it is, hon.
Oh, it's beautiful.
All right, guys, this is it, and well, we're gonna show you a little bit more of it.
We are up visiting the guys from Knollstone Contracting. They are up there doing some maintenance. And there's Greg.
There's the owner of the company, Greg. Greg, how's it feel to be the only contracting company to ever restore a ski jump in New Hampshire?
Not sure what I was thinking at the time.
Well, it came out beautiful. Now, this wood has all been replaced. Down to this platform here. But back in the day, and the reason we were able to come up and do our first video here, the stairs used to continue all the way down. Of course, you couldn't see them because this was all high woods. They've cut all this back. Absolutely incredible. Judge's hut. And again, the ski jump that Cheryl and I love so much. Got a view of the judge's hut. I think they're coming back next year to rebuild this. It's gonna be all steel framed, I'd imagine. Looks like this one here is. Well, the foundation of it anyway. We actually went up there. Now, instead of repeating ourselves on the history of the ski jump, we pretty much covered it in depth in our last two videos, so we'll just give you a quick summary. 1936, it was designed. 1937, it was built. 1938, the first ever US Olympics Ski Jump Trials were held right here. 1988, they closed it down. 2017, after Greg and his team restored the jump, world-class ski jumper Sarah Hendrickson actually jumped off it. Then in 2019, it's on the National Register of Historic Places. Hey, hon, you know what I'm wondering?
What?
I'm wondering what the view looks like from where the guys are up there.
Oh, I wonder.
I mean, can you imagine sitting and having lunch every day up there? Well, except during the winter when they were doing it.
No, that wouldn't be good.
But yeah, we've only seen it from the bottom, but we have never seen it from the top. Until now. This is what it looks like from the top. And let me tell you, that's a hairy climb.
It's steep.
Yes, very, very steep.
Climbing to the top of the Nansen Ski Jump. Off the bucket list.
If you guys need any kind of homework done, there's the man right here to talk to. Greg.
Let me know. In case you feel like building a ski jump.
Yeah, in your backyard.
Oh yeah, you want one in the backyard? We'll build one about this high.
You're definitely the one that will call.
No, we will not.
There's your chance to get on the video.
What's happening? We're alive.
Back during the winter of 2016-2017, Greg and his team back then sort of became a local legend known as the Ski Jump guys. To restore the ski jump, they fought through heavy snow, sub-freezing temperatures, dangerous high winds, and don't forget about those wind chills.
Brr.
To unwind and warm up at night, they found local refuge in a local bar called the Milliard in Berlin. And according to the legend, they warmed the hearts of everyone in the place, telling and sharing stories. The flag you see here hanging over the ski jump was presented to the Milliard by Greg and the guys, and over 100 people that night signed the flag as a way of saying thank you for a job well done.
Now the frame around the flag is made from the old wood they removed from the ski jump, along with the wood behind this written legend itself.
Cheryl and I would like to thank our friends Greg and his team from Knollstone Contracting for allowing us to get another thing off of our bucket list.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Greg. Now, if you guys like this video, we'd appreciate that thumbs up as always. You want to follow along on all of our We Are Mud Fun adventures? Right down there in the corner, just click that. You'll be subscribed to the channel.
If you have any questions or comments, you can put them down below.
Yep, and feel free to share this video with anyone you think might like it. Because until our next adventure,
The
end.
end.